Welcome back, everyone. Big update. I cut my hair. Second update. Yesterday, the pups turned 6 weeks old, so it's almost time to go home. What we're going to do right now is we are going to weigh them and then just kind of put them out on our ottoman and play with them a little bit so you can see each pup. And we'll probably talk about where they're going.
Oh, they're stinky.
Stinky puppies. Alrighty. Puppy number 1, Mr. Black Guy. So this little guy, let me see your phone.
Go.
This little guy is staying in Idaho. I think he's probably one of the prettiest pups.
He's got to turn around.
He's got a really pretty pattern, really pretty head. He's pretty calm. I mean, nothing really stands out about him. He's definitely growing a lot. He's gotten pretty big. But yeah, he's a cute pup.
We've liked his patterning, his spots, patches from the get-go.
Yeah, he's one of the prettiest.
We've commented on him, I feel like, a couple of times. Boop.
Hey, turn him.
Okay. Oh.
Puppy down. Yep, that's Mr. Black. He's staying in Idaho. Every puppy's going to a good hunting home. You like that?
Yeah.
There, you eat that, mister. Eat that. Doesn't want it.
Hey, say bye-bye.
One last thing. He's 7 pounds, 2 ounces. So he is doing awesome. All right, puppy number 2. This guy is also staying in Idaho. He got to get picked in person, which is cool. He is 6 pounds, 15 ounces.
He used to be our biggest pup.
He used to be one of the biggest. I still think body-wise, he's the biggest pup. He is super long, doing super good.
Hello, guy. Turn around. There. Yeah, that's food.
Yeah, there you go. There's a little snack, pal. Oh. But he's a cutie. He's mellow.
Show him over here, bub.
He's just a happy dude.
Like that.
He's going to be doing some grouse hunting in Idaho.
And maybe, who knows what else? Hey. I know, he's always had a sweet demeanor.
Yes, he has. Pup, pup, pup.
I think they all do, but hey, you want this? It's tasty. Little teeth. Oh.
His name is actually Rambo. That's one last thing about him. This is little Rambo. All right, puppy number 3.
Female
This is
number
our
1.
first female. This is the one we called Arrow when she was born. Miss, what is wrong with you, little one? It's all right. We got to wash this anyways.
Hey, should I take you? Let's not pee right now.
She's done.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is little Miss Arrow. Let's stay back over here, baby. She's probably one of the prettiest. She's got a great pattern. She's just a happy little pup. She is staying in Idaho. And she's a little Christmas puppy. They're wanting to bring her home on Christmas. The pups technically aren't ready till the 30th. But she's going to be a little Christmas present for a dad whose old bird dog is retired. So anyways, this is little Arrow. She's 6 pounds, 5 ounces, and she is a sweetheart.
She's super cute.
All right. Puppy number 4. This is male number 3. This is little Poncho. He's kind of wild. This is the puppy we're keeping. He's 5 pounds, 5 ounces. He used to be middle of the pack, and he's kind of become the runt. He likes eating, but he kind of just wants to play and adventure most of all.
I know.
So he's the darkest pup. Not a crazy pattern, but he's super dark. And he's...
little guy.
He's kind of the odd man out. He's the black sheep of the group, and he's always doing his own thing. And he's really cool. He always comes up and wants to say hi to us. So this is little Poncho. We named him Poncho because we wanted to keep 2 pups, name them Poncho and Lefty. Right now, at this stage, one pup is probably a little easier. So anyways, this is Poncho.
Oh.
He's
And,
putting on weight, but he definitely is a
slowly,
skinny
yeah.
little guy.
But he's just got a little adventurous spirit.
Yeah.
He's also pretty, I don't know, doesn't seem like he's scared of much.
No. He's not scared of much, and he just wants to go, go, go. Mm-hmm. So anyways, this is
fun.
little Poncho. Okay. Puppy number 5, Little Miss Dot. It's okay, baby.
It's different, huh?
She's the one we called Dot when she was born. She's staying in Idaho. She's going to a family that waterfowl and upland hunts, and they're super excited. She's, what did I say, 6 pounds, 6 ounces?
6 pounds, I wrote it down, 6 pounds, 5 ounces.
6 pounds, 5 ounces?
Sorry, 7, because other females. 6
But
pounds,
she's a cutie. She's kind of cautious. She's acting cautious right now.
She's getting...
And that's probably, we don't play with the puppies that aren't ours too much. You know, we'll handle them and work with them, but we don't want to get them super attached to us. But she's a sweetheart. Mm-hmm. She's kind of timid and cautious, but that's a good thing from a bird dog. Not going to get themselves into trouble.
But they, when you leave them alone, they'll be pretty, you know, I mean, they play a lot amongst each other in their kennels. And the girls, I noticed, do that, like, you know, rolling over and nibbling on each other's ears. And
so anyways, this is Miss Dot. She's a sweetheart. Both of the females were sweethearts.
Ladybug.
And she's going to make a fantastic bird dog and go to a good home. This is puppy number 6. This is Mr. Goose, dark green collar. So Mr. Goose is going to our my brother and sister-in-law, Maddie's sister. They live in Montana, and it was between him and one other puppy, and they chose him. So today we just got him his first toys, these little Canadian goose toys. I don't condone squeaky toys, but it was
hard not to get the goose toy.
Yeah, it matched his name, so that's why we went with him. But he's a sweet boy. He's
got pretty pattern too.
He's got a great pattern. He loves just being rubbed.
He's got a pretty chill, like.
He's got his little goose toys, and his parents are excited to go home with him.
I know.
They've already met him and got to hang out with him, but they haven't seen him in a while.
Oh, yeah.
So what do you think, Mr. Goose? Yeah? Are you excited?
You're sweet.
So this is cool. We'll get to see this puppy as he grows, and we'll get to hunt over him a lot. And it's exciting to see one of the pups from Bridger and June stay in the family.
Ooh.
Alrighty, Mr. Goose. What did we say, Wade?
6 pounds, 6 ounces.
6 pounds, 6 ounces, so right in the middle of the pack.
Yep.
He's doing good.
He used to be one of the tiny ones.